Oh, what's up, guys? So, I decided to do another channel, and so I created a bunch of different videos for that channel. Have not uploaded them to it yet because I'm still figuring out what I'm going to do with it all. But I do have a few guys that still actually watch and comment, and they enjoy the stuff that I'm doing right now with the C10 and with other things like informational videos. I've done only a couple of them, but the Can-Am one, I changed the CV boot and talked about how to knock an axle off really quick, and that got quite a few likes and a lot of views. I mean, I'm not thousands of views, but I think 2,000 views, something like that, maybe 3,000 views over the period of like the last year. It's not much, but that's not why I'm here. YouTube has given me something to, kind of scrapbook my life and my kids. I've got videos of me and my family Christmas, and my family with my oldest. He's 16, and he was 6 years old at one of the videos. And it was years ago. Yeah, I'm still a big Subaru guy, but this was back when that was like that's all I did was bleed Subaru, and everything we had was about it, Subaru and rallycross, and that's what we loved doing, watching and hanging out with. And then they had, Ken Block came out, was doing some cool stuff, and he was really big back then. He's still big, but he was really blowing up the internet. So my 6-year-old really wanted to do a shout out to him, so we did a shout out to Ken Block on there. It's pretty cute to watch that. To watch a 6-year-old, hoping that Ken Block would see the video. Don't think he ever did, but still, it's cool to see. But so anyhow, on that note, what we're doing now, I've switched things up. The C10 only ran low 13s. Could be because of, too low tire pressure. I don't know, probably. And lack of horsepower. I mean, it really needed more to be able to get it down the track quicker. I wasn't really pushing it where I wanted to go. Still quick for a little C10 pickup truck. But we're changing things. So I decided to do something I've wanted to do for a long time. I'm a turbo guy, like I said. Love turbos. Put them on anything. Have since before they were cool to put on all these big turbo cars. Everything used to be all motor or nitrous or superchargers or something. But then I should have stayed in that career because it took off. It's what everybody's doing now, putting turbos and everything. So that being said, I'm doing LS on the C10. I'm going to be doing the Holley TerminatorX. Got in the box behind me, just came in today, and motor mounts are on their way. And they're a DIY ones, just urethane, some pipes and some plates and stuff, and I'll be mounting those in. Still run the Power Glide, and yeah, not a whole lot different other than it will be turbocharged, single turbo. Still deciding what turbo to put on there. I was looking at smaller turbos yesterday, trying to figure out maybe I just want to do something to make it so it just has a lot of low end, but at the same time I want to be able to hit that over 500 horsepower mark. Anyways, so while we're here, I've got the box behind me. I'll open it up real quick. I've never opened a Holley TerminatorX box before. I popped the actual main UPS box open this morning just to make sure it was in here. So, let's see here, the top and bottom. TerminatorX early truck kit with drive-by-wire, throttle body control, self-learning EFI system with a 3.5-inch color touchscreen. I did see they've got some other touch screens out there. It's really cool. What was it, 7-inch or something like that screen? You can make a dash and all that fun stuff. But more tape. Well, that's what I figured it's gonna look like in a box. It's a harness and another box with some goodies in it. They give you on top of the wire and harness, TerminatorX. It's a cool sticker. That definitely will go on the back window. just so I can let the world know what's in it. I'm not one of those guys gonna hide everything. So this would be the injector harness. And this is all the relays. And the main harness. I've watched a few videos just to kind of get an idea of what everything was, but I haven't actually perfected my knowledge on it yet. But I'm pretty sure this is the main harness. And this is the main power harness to the ECU. Is that for coils or something? Must be. And then they give you a wideband, which I've got quite a few of these laying around. I've got a innovative wideband that I use to tune all the import cars I've played with. I killed quite a few too, especially where I live. A lot of humidity here. You don't like to start those things and just shut them right off. Let my wife try. I actually think she's killed most of them. Jumper, and then here's the touch screen, little stylus, pretty cool, and then a bung, and then what looks like restrictor valves for the map sensor control. This must be the jumper for the, oh, you know, that's what that is. So, right? Yep, so that's the jumper for the O2 sensor. So you can wire it in. Probably do make it standalone or something. And that plugs into your O2 sensor. And then here is the ECU itself. They do give you instructions, installation and tuning manual. If it was that simple. No, it is. I'm joking. This thing I've seen it installed within like 20 minutes. Not fully installed, but like just to get them running. Pretty sick. And there she is. Look at that. So they've got lights on it so you can do diagnosis. It's got a little speaker so you can hear audible sounds. That's that little quick connect for your vacuum line. Power source, probably O2 sensor, and injectors and coil packs and display. Right? I'm pretty sure that's what it's all for. Of course, I will go through and read the instructions and make sure I install it correctly. Yep, what fun. I can't wait. Especially when it's winter time and I have nothing else to do. Which I have lots of stuff to do. Because I work on everybody else's stuff all the time. Oh boy. Okay. Yep. You know, something funny is I got into this stuff here just before I decided to change my mind on what we're doing here. I ended up selling the motor in the C10. I haven't actually pulled it out yet, but I started pulling things apart, and so because I didn't want to go beating on it and blow it up because it still runs really good and hard. But I only got to use that stuff one time on a quick pour just so I could get a quick little video out and some pictures. Stuff works pretty good, but I haven't got to use this. I got a whole case of it over there. Supposed to sell some of it. Might have to hoard it for myself. Anyhow, good talking to you guys. Hope you guys enjoy this. I will do, you know, some videos here and there, and hopefully be able to take the time to record me doing the progress of everything. I still got to gap the rings. I got to pull the heads, gap the rings. Yep. it back together. I'm just gonna do a quick little build on it. All right, guys. Hopefully that wasn't too annoying. Talk to you later. Peace out.